government today introduced the Bureau of Indian Standards Bill that seeks to establish a new quality regulator in India, which will not only mandate norms for all goods but also services. An analysis of the bill begs the question, will the proposed BIS also govern quality norms for services offered by telcos, banks, insurance companies and mutual funds, which are now governed by their respective sectoral regulators? Rituparna Bhuyan finds out.
Will the newly proposed quality regulator, the Bureau of Indian Standards, have an edge over sectoral regulators like the Reserve Bank of India, the TRAI or even the PFRDA when it comes to quality-related issues? Fine print of the new legislation which seeks to set up the Bureau of Indian Standards certainly indicates so. The bill says, and I quote, "The Bureau shall take all necessary steps for promotion, monitoring and management of goods, articles, processes, systems and services as may be necessary to protect the interests of consumers and various stakeholders." The steps that the proposed BIS can take include market surveillance to monitor quality, promote quality, safety, as well as identify any goods, processes or services where there is a need to establish a new Indian standard. The BIS will either adopt standards specified by other regulators or can mandate rules related to standards on its own. This could mean that the BIS will have powers to formulate quality benchmarks for any service, and this could range from call drops or poor broadband connection to bank services, insurance and pension schemes to mutual fund products, which as of now are under regulators like RBI, TRAI, IRDA, PFRDA and SEBI. The new quality controller will also have the option to adopt standards set by peer regulators. BIS will also have powers to enforce and search premises to enforce provisions of the new Act, penalties under which can range from fines up to 5 times the value of goods that were to be sold and imprisonment up to 2 years. That's not all. Penal provisions can be invoked to include the board of directors as well for violating quality standards. It now remains to be seen when this legislation will be taken up by Parliament. The proposed legislation will first have to be vetted by the department-related standing panel, after which it will be placed on the floor of the Lok Sabha. In New Delhi with Rituparna Bhuyan, Arif Shirwani.